take her picture. Baby dumpling, stop looking over there.
Oh my gosh! I think that was Dad's talk.
Are you playing? Are you playing?
Steve walks away when she's looking at the phone.
Yeah, it's in tractor pull.
Alright, let's go enter an event. You ready?
Sometimes you get lucky and she'll interact like that. All of a sudden she'll just like do
We didn't win no money.
Yeah, it's funny.
Hold on. Let's try again. You ready? Yeah, I know. It's Jed. We'll jump him in the pits and beat the crap out of him. Don't worry. Yeah, well, I mean, look, see. Oh, we finished 4th. Yeah. We're going to have to go back and practice some more.